Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set scale bar on the Avenza Maps application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, click to the three dots at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the settings button. In the settings section you can find the fourth option, the map view, and here go to the scale bar under the enable placemark aggregation function. Default show when zooming and fading out after 6 seconds after zooming stop, and if you want to change that function, just click that. And you can select three options: the default, the always shown, and the always hidden. And just select one, for example the always hidden, and click that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.